Nana Yaa Asantewaa might have been in her 60s when this war started. She ordered the incessant bombardment of pro-British elements in the capital, Kumasi, and this compelled the British and other aliens to seek refuge in the fort. The war started on 25th of April 1900 and continued through to October 1900. After the British forces had run out of ammunition and logistics, life became very unbearable for them at the fort because Nana Yaa Asantewaa ordered that the death drum should be played every day for several hours. This psychological trick worked because there were a lot of Asantes at the fort too, and they translated the meaning of the drums to the British. Those Asantes who were not prepared to fight were afraid and intimidated, so they all sought refuge at the fort. People in the fort numbered over